How to change Discord background on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change Discord background on your mobile. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Discord app on your device. After you open Discord, you will get this type of interface. From here, to change the background, you'll have to tap on you at the bottom right. From here, again at the top right, tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option appearance. From the section at the top, tap on theme. From app theme section, you can choose a lot of themes that are available for your Discord account. If you have the Nitro subscription, you can manually choose any one of these options from here. Like from here, you can also choose any free options like dark, light, or add the automatic follow system settings. So if you have any Nitro subscription, you can manually choose any one of these theme on your Discord mobile. If this help you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.